The unboxing experience is a delightful journey into what's inside the sleek box of the POCO F7 Pro. You won't find any plastic pouches here. Instead, the phone sits atop its accessories, neatly separated by partitions. Let's take a closer look at each component. First up, we have the star of the show itself, the POCO F7 Pro. Just look how stunning it looks in this black colorway, but we'll get to that in just a bit. Underneath, we have a pretty powerful 120-watt fast charger. Then there's the Type-C cable, looking good in the same black and orange theme as the box. Next, we have a clear protective case, which is always handy to have right from the start. Then comes the SIM ejector pin, followed by the documentation, which includes a quick start guide and warranty card. I really like how everything is presented. There's a sense of cleanliness and attention to detail that makes this unboxing experience stand out. Now let's shift our focus to the POCO F7 Pro itself. As soon as I held it in my hand, I knew this phone felt solid and high-end. Now let's talk about what really sets this phone apart. The first thing that caught my eye was the back of the phone. It's made of matte glass that not only looks amazing, but also resists fingerprints, something I always appreciate. The material gives the phone a touch of elegance, setting it apart from many other phones in its price range. What's equally impressive is the build quality. The aluminum frame adds to the overall durability and premium feel. This phone is built to last, and it shows right from the start. Now let's talk about one of the key areas where the POCO F7 Pro truly shines. The display. This 6.67-inch AMOLED display is simply stunning. From the very first moment I saw it, I was impressed by the rich, vivid colors and the deep blacks. It's the kind of display that makes watching content, browsing photos, and playing games a visual treat. Whether you're watching videos, editing images, or just scrolling through social media, every visual element pops with lifelike clarity. It's not just about the colors though. The 144Hz refresh rate takes things to a whole new level. Scrolling, gaming, and animations all feel ultra smooth. It's a subtle yet incredibly noticeable difference that elevates the entire user experience. And if you're someone who spends a lot of time outdoors, you'll especially appreciate the high brightness levels. Even when I'm outside in direct sunlight, I can still see the screen clearly, without squinting. It's a display that adapts to any environment without compromising on quality. Now, let's talk about the performance. This is an area where the POCO F7 Pro doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. And let me tell you, it's a powerhouse. Whether I'm playing resource-intensive games, multitasking with multiple apps, or just launching apps, everything is almost instant. There's zero tolerance for lag or stuttering. And with up to 16 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, this phone can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. For example, I've been editing high-resolution photos and videos on the go, and the phone hasn't broken a sweat. It's not just about raw power, though. The phone stays cool even during those intense editing sessions, which is essential for a comfortable user experience. Additionally, with up to 16 GB RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, app launches are near instantaneous. Whether you're opening multiple apps simultaneously or jumping between them, the phone keeps up effortlessly. And if you're a mobile gamer, the POCO F7 Pro will be right at home. The large, smooth display, combined with the powerful processor and ample RAM, ensures that your gaming experience is top-notch. Whether you're playing casual games or hardcore titles, this phone delivers. Now let's talk about another aspect that often gets overlooked in smartphones: the cameras. The POCO F7 Pro doesn't disappoint in this area either. The 50-megapixel primary lens with optical image stabilization captures crisp, detailed images. The colors are vibrant and true to life, and the dynamic range is impressive. Even in challenging lighting conditions, the phone does an excellent job of maintaining detail and color accuracy. And when it comes to low-light photography, the phone's performance is nothing short of impressive. The camera system does a great job of capturing clear and detailed shots, even in dimly lit environments. The images have minimal noise, and the colors are still vibrant, making for some really impressive nighttime shots. The ultra-wide lens is also solid, providing a good field of view and decent image quality. Overall, whether you're an amateur photographer or just someone who appreciates a great camera, the POCO F7 Pro will meet and exceed your expectations. From landscapes to portraits, the phone captures stunning images that will make your social media feeds come alive. And don't forget about selfies. The front camera produces clear and natural-looking selfies, making it perfect for those who want to maintain a polished online presence. Now, let's move on to the battery and charging. One of the most significant advantages of the POCO F7 Pro is its impressive battery life. With a 5,000 mAh battery, this phone easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or just browsing the web, you can count on the phone to stay powered up throughout the day. And when it comes to charging, the POCO F7 Pro takes it to a whole new level with 120-watt fast charging. This means you won't spend hours tethered to the charger. In fact, you can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in about 20 minutes. It's a game changer in a world where time is of utmost importance. In addition to these standout features, the POCO F7 Pro has some extras that add to the overall user experience. The dual stereo speakers produce loud, clear, and well-balanced audio. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, the sound quality is excellent. The phone also has an X-axis linear motor that provides strong haptic feedback, making interactions with the phone more immersive. And the in-display fingerprint sensor is lightning fast and highly accurate. It's a convenient and secure way to unlock the phone and access your personal data. So after using the POCO F7 Pro for an extended period, I can confidently say that it's a standout device in the mid-range smartphone market. The combination of a stunning display, powerful processing, impressive camera capabilities, and blazing fast charging makes it a compelling choice for anyone looking for a top-tier smartphone without breaking the bank. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or someone who demands the best in performance and value, the POCO F7 Pro ticks all the right boxes. It's not just a phone. It's a statement that says you don't have to compromise on quality, style, or performance to get a great smartphone. As we conclude our review of the POCO F7 Pro, we'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this phone? Which features caught your eye? Feel free to drop your comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and consider subscribing for more tech reviews and concept renders. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.